Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to be using this packet and just have a grown-up cut around the thick black lines. We've done this before. And then you're going to have them put them in the right order and staple it together. The numbers are on the bottom of each page. Okay? So you're just going to cut them apart and then put them in the right order. Okay, so this is the front cover. Front cover. Page 1. Page 2. Too many. Page 2. Page 3. Page 4. Page 5. Page 6. Page 7. Page 8. And page 9. And then put 2 staples, if you can, on the side. And we're going to read it together. So the object of this lesson is so that you read after I do, and that we point to the words as we read them, and we go from left to right, and we turn the page, and we read from left to right. Okay? So, the story is called We Can Help Our Planet Earth. And there's the planet Earth, and there's lots of hearts around, because we need to love our Earth and help it. So let's read We Can Help Our Planet Earth together. We can help our planet Earth. Turn the page. And we have a girl. What is she doing? That's right, she's throwing away the garbage. This says, we can pick up garbage. So let's read it together now. We can pick up garbage. Nice reading. Make sure you're finger pointing along with me. Turn the page. And what is he doing? Well, what is this? Right, it's a light switch. So when we're not using the lights in a room, we need to turn them off so we don't waste electricity. This says, we can turn lights off. Let's read it together. We can turn lights off. Good reading. I hope you're reading and finger pointing those words along with me. What does she doing? What does she look like she's doing? Well, she's in the bathroom. And I think it's supposed to be her brushing her teeth. So when you brush your teeth, you don't need to have the water running the whole time. You just need to wet your toothbrush and put the toothpaste on and then brush your teeth, right? So we can turn the water off in between to save the planet and save water. So this says we can turn water off. Read it with me. We can turn water off. Good. Turn the page to page 4. What does the girl look like she's doing in this picture? Yep, she has flowers. And what is she doing with the flowers? She's going to plant them. She's got her gardening gloves on and she's planting flowers. This says, we can plant flowers and trees. Read it with me. We can plant flowers and trees. This word we keeps happening at the beginning of every sentence. It says we can at the beginning of every sentence. So we should be able to see that on the next page. Let's turn it over and let's see if we can find we can. Can you find the words we can? That's right. We can. What is this boy doing? Right, he's putting something in the recycle bin. You see the symbol is a recycling symbol. This says we can learn how to recycle things. Let's read that together. We can learn how to recycle things. Nice reading. Turn the page to page 6. What do these children look like they're doing? They could be sharing, yeah. What else could he be doing with that teddy bear? Right, he could be giving it to her. He could be donating it. When we don't use toys or books or clothes anymore, we can donate them to somebody that can use them. So this says we can donate our old toys and books. Now read it with me. We can donate our old toys and books. Turn the page. What's this a picture of? It's a boy and his dog. How could we help the earth with our pets? Right, cleaning up after them. So when we take them for a walk and they poop, you have to clean it up. Then you have to throw it away, right? We're not making a big mess of the world. This says we can clean up after our pet. Read it with me. We can clean up after our pet. Good. Now, these children are reading a book and they have the earth behind them with the hearts behind them. This says, we can show and tell others how much we love our planet Earth. That was a long sentence. Try to read it with me. We can show and tell others how much we love our planet Earth. And this back page says, this is what I can do. And you can draw a picture of something that you could do. Maybe it's one of the pictures in the book. But we're going to talk a little bit more about this in the next lesson, in our social studies lesson today. I hope you had fun reading with me.